Wow, this is a great TV show. But I think I should take a nap. Huh.
Oh, hi, sir.
What are you doing here?
How do I say this? I got evicted. Can I stay with you for a while?
What? You got evicted? Lend you a room?
Here, where's my room?
Follow me. This is where you'll stay. I'm gonna cook dinner.
What are we having?
Scrambled eggs. Breakfast for dinner, am I right?
Okay. I'm just gonna get dressed, to make myself at home.
Okay. Wow, this is taking forever. Sis, food's ready. Grab some from the stove.
Okay.
That was good. I think I'm gonna go to...
Okay. Good night.
Hi. I think it's time to get up and go.
What is it?
Dang it, school. Sis? Why are you awake so early?
Oh, I like this.
Well, thanks.
You're welcome.
Okay. Why are you eating this from last night? You know you can take bacon right in front of you.
What?
You can take the bacon right in front of you, right?
Oh.
Okay, well then eat that. We gotta get ready for school.
Okay.
I'll get my backpack.
Okay. I'll get my backpack too.
Okay. Dude, we should be going now.
Oh.
Oh God, I cannot move. Hold on. Do you know how to drive? I don't, obviously.
How to drive? I forgot to change clothes.
You forget? I did too. We're gonna be so late.
I know.
Why are you so late all the time?
We have to change.
Nope. No. This is so hard.
Driving.
Does that look good? Do you think this looks good, sis?
What?
Does this look good?
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah, let's go. Let's go. I was worried we're gonna have a fashion show or something. Oh, already so late. Get in. Why are you in the back seat? I gotcha. Oh my gosh. I'm worried about... I'm trying, sis. Thank you.
Okay, now you can go. I wonder how school is gonna be.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be so annoying.
We never even went to school. I'm surprised.
You know that one guy who just like always picks his nose? It's gross.
Don't drive on the sidewalk.
I hope I don't have any classes.
You hope you don't have any what?
Classes with him.
Oh yeah.
That deaf on the first day. Like, he was there last year, but I don't think he's gonna be here today. This year, I don't know. I asked him, and he should be going. So, yeah.
Okay. Well, anyway.
Well, I'd be glad if he doesn't in the day.
Can you drive there? What are you doing?
I'm driving to school. God.
Drive fast.
I can't drive fast.
Yes, you can. Just keep holding.
Why am I on the wrong side of the road?
Press W down.
Escape W down?
Oh. Press W down.
Well, I think it's time that we actually finally time to get here. It's only 11 a.m. and it's this dark. Ugh.
I know.
Do you hear sirens?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
What happened?
Oh my god. I think we should close the doors.
Yeah, let's close the doors. Close it.
Okay.
Close it.
Let's go to class.
What
Class do you have first?
Murder.
What
I'm
class?
really scared.
What class do you have first? I have science.
I have math.
You're so lucky. I have the worst teacher ever. Science is so
Okay,
like.
see you later.
Bye. Am I seriously the first one? I'm so lame.
What? I thought we got in late, but everyone got in late. Like, there's nobody here except for me. The teacher's not even here. I thought me and Tessa were late, but there's nobody here. Not even the teacher. Where is everybody? I'm gonna go what my sister's class look like to see if her is empty too. Where?
I guess it's just time to wait for the. This will take forever.
Tessa?
Pepper, what are you doing here?
There's nobody in the school.
Hey, I don't get it. Really? There's nobody?
I thought we were late, but everyone seems to be late. None of the teachers are here, none of the students. Nobody.
Let me check my phone. All classes have been canceled today due to snow. It says all classes have been canceled today due to snow. Okay. Well, it looks like we're so lame that, like, we didn't pay attention.
Let's go. Okay, let's go. This school's boring anyway.
Yeah, school is. Well, it looks like we're not to tomorrow.
It's a beautiful day. School is so pretty. Wait, we should close the doors, you know?
We should. Okay, let's go, yeah.